So today on Redneck Rescue, we're going back down to Palisades Reservoir, right about where our last rescue was. And we've got a Dodge Charger that is out here that's stuck in the mud. They came out to play on the lake, got stuck. It happens. Let's go check it out. So we got Miranda set up, the winch to the Rhino snatch block, to the 10-footer, to two 30-footers. We've got the axle strap around the wheel. We're gonna set the parking brake, and we're gonna pull it on back to dry ground, and then hopefully just back it right out. So here you can see we got the axle strap run low where we set the parking brake, so it keeps it down off the body here. As you can see, once you get the mud on the tires, it just spins right in. I'm gonna start to pull you. It'll probably pull you sideways a little bit. Don't worry about that. We're just gonna go nice and slow. As you can see, that parking brake is holding that wheel in place, which keeps that strap right off the body line. Otherwise, the rim would rotate. And it just slides right across the top because it's muddy. Go ahead and straighten your tires out just slightly. Turn to the left towards me. There you go, right there. Pull you sideways just ever so slightly. So we're gonna go ahead and just get the mud out of under the back tires here, which is not much. All right, do you know where your traction control button is? The little swervy line guy?
Should know where it is.
Anytime you get stuck, shutting that off, your best right there, far right. And then it shows that on the dash.
Okay.
Perfect. So go ahead and straighten your tires out. Turn them towards me just a little bit right there. Put it in reverse. Give it a little bit. Go, go, go. Keep going. Turn your tires towards me. There you go. Straight on back. There you go. You're free. We like to call that moving in a positive direction. So here's our trenches. You can see where we pulled the car right across. Here's where it was buried in. It wasn't fully high centered, but it definitely sunk in a bit. You can see how gooey it is. If you enjoyed today's episode of Redneck Rescue, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. We got other rescues coming down the line. Have fun out there. Big shout out today to Tom Snowmobiles. They just rebuilt our Fox shocks. If you have Fox shocks on your sled and you need them rebuilt, they will build them custom just for you and your needs. They are the experts that the racers trust. Reach out to them. Go into the description below and find a link to their website.